Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start with your feet apart and your hands behind your back. On the first beat, throw your hands out to either side. Bring your right arm in front of you and your left arm behind you and bend your elbows and your left knee. Do this in the opposite direction. Do this in the opposite direction again, but bend your right elbow and left knee twice. Step over to the right on your right foot, then slide your left foot over to meet it and punch out to either side, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Lower your arms and step over to the right on your right foot again, then slide your left foot over to meet it and clap once. Do all 4 counts of this section in the opposite direction. Bend your elbows and bring your left arm in front of you and your right arm back as you cross your right foot over your left foot, then step over to the right with your left foot as you switch the positions of your arms. Step back on your right foot as you switch the positions of your arms again, then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you clap once. With your left hand behind your back, step in place on your left foot as you twirl your right hand up near your right shoulder. Twirl your right hand back down, then point straight to the left as you step back with your right foot. Do this move in the opposite direction, but continue to use your right hand. Cross your left foot over your right foot as you bring your right arm up and your left arm back, then cross your right foot over your left foot and switch the positions of your arms. Step back on your left foot as you switch the positions of your arms again, then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you clap once. Twirl both hands up near your shoulders, then bend your elbows to bring your left arm in front of you and your right arm behind you as you bend both knees outward before turning them back in. Hop up, bringing your left foot up first. Step in place on your right foot as you twirl both hands up near your shoulders, then step over to the left with your left foot and slide your right foot along as you push over to the right with both hands. Twirl your hands up near your shoulders again, then step over to the right on your right foot and slide your left foot along as you push over to the left with both hands. Step to the left as you push over to the right with your hands again, then do this in the opposite direction before twirling your hands up near your shoulders again. Bend your right elbow to bring your arm in front of your chest as you bend your knees outward. Bend your knees inward as you lower your right arm, then bring your left arm up as you move slightly to the left and bend your knees outward again. Bend your knees inward, then repeat this move to the right, then twice to the left. Now bend your left knee to the right as you bring your right arm up. Repeat this in the opposite direction, then in the opposite direction twice. Step over to the left with your left foot as you twirl your left hand up near your shoulder, then step behind your left foot with your right foot as you point over to the left with your left hand. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Bring your left foot forward to meet your right foot as you twirl both hands up near your shoulders, then punch over to the left with your right fist as you step back on your right foot. Turn to the right until your back is to the camera and tap your left foot down next to your right foot, then step back with your left foot as you clap once. Step over to the left with your left foot as you swing your left arm out to the left, then bring your foot back in as you bring your left arm in so that your fist is near your chest and your elbow is pointing to the left. Do the same on the right. Move your left elbow up and your right elbow down as you step out with your left foot. Switch the positions of your arms as you bring your left foot up, then repeat this move 2 more times as you pivot to the right on your right foot. When you are facing the camera again, bring your left foot over to meet your right foot and clap once. Step in place on your left foot, then step over to the right with your right foot as you curve your left arm inward. Step behind your right foot with your left foot, then turn to the left. Hop in place on your right foot and step out with your left foot, keeping your toes up as you bring your right arm up with your elbow bent, then step back on your left foot as you bring your right foot forward with your toes up and your left arm up. Bring your right foot back and your right arm up again as you step forward on your left foot, then right foot. Face the camera again as you plant your left foot over to the left and your right foot over to the right. Bend your right knee a bit as you lean to the right and extend your arms out to either side with your elbows bent slightly. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you bend your elbows to bring your hands in near your chest, then clap once. Kick straight out to the left with your left foot, then lower your left leg before quickly swinging your right leg straight out to the right. Bring your right foot back down as you kick forward with your left foot, then bend your left knee to bring your foot behind you as you look in the same direction before looking at the camera again. Kick out with your left foot as you hop on your right foot, then bring your left foot down and your right foot up. Hop forward on your left foot, then bring your right foot down. Turn to the right so that your back is to the camera and repeat this move again. Turn to the right again so that you're facing the camera and do this move again. Kick out with your left foot and hop on your right foot again and move both arms out, then lower them as you bring your left foot down, then step in place on your right foot. Hop on your left foot as you kick forward with your right foot and extend both arms forward, then bring your arms in as you cross your right foot over your left foot before stepping over to the left with your left foot and extending your arms straight out to either side. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, then bring your feet together and your arms in. Jump slightly to separate your feet as you extend your left arm up into the left and your right arm down into the right. Bring your feet and arms in again, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Step in place on your left foot as you bring your right foot up behind you and to the left and move your right hand up near your face with your elbow pointing out to the right. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Bring your left foot back down as you move your right arm up, then step behind your left foot with your right foot as you begin to swing your right arm down and to the left. Step a bit further to the right with your left foot as you finish swinging your right arm down and to the left. Move your right arm back to your side as you step over to the right with your right foot, then step a bit to the left on your left foot before bringing your right foot over to meet your left foot. Kick out with your right foot as you swing both arms in front of you, then bring your right foot down as you kick out with your left foot and move your arms down, then out and up. Bring your left foot back down as you bend your knees and put your hands on your legs. Stand up again, jumping slightly to separate your feet. Bend your right knee to the left so that you are facing slightly to the left as you bring the side of your right hand up to your forehead. Lower your hand as you turn your hips in a clockwise circle, then bend your left knee to the right as you bring the side of your left hand up to your forehead. Lower your hand and turn your hips in a counterclockwise circle, then bring your right hand up to your forehead again. With your right hand still up, look to the right, then look to the left and bring your left foot over to meet your right foot, then look to the right again. Move your right arm up as you step out to the left on your left foot, then roll your body as you pull your right arm down and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, then plant your left foot and slowly move your right arm forward and up before pushing forward with your right fist once.